Family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so right now I am on my way to Dollar Tree to get some cleaning supplies. So I'll see you guys once I get there. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we are in Dollar Tree, honey, for cleaning supplies. Jada, you want to get a cart for me? Okay. Jada, we need a cart.
Huh?
We need a cart.
It's hot in here.
Okay, so I came here to get a few supplies. Okay. Let's see. So first up, family, we are going to get some of these. They are $1, well, $1.25. And I'm gonna get some hangers because we need some hangers, but there's only 7 in here. I guess we could get these. Okay, so right here they have some brooms, honey. Instead of going to them stores getting the brooms for like $5 or whatever it is, honey, I'm sure gonna get the brooms from here. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to get this mop. Hopefully this mop is gonna do the job. Let's see.
I use those. They're good.
They good?
Yeah.
Okay. So family, I had got these Brillo cloths. Today, honey, is gonna be extreme clean day. Okay. And then this is the thing that you will put these cloth wipes in inside this thing right here. And then you would just use the same handle that I brought, like that was for the mop. I'm just gonna use it for this, okay? So yeah, let's see what else we can get. So I done told you guys time and time two before, okay? I don't know who Dollar Tree is coming for, but look at these bags. They even got thermal bags here. What else they have? Oh, so these are the things that I told you guys about. This is so good, like for your dishes and stuff like that. And what you want to do is you open this thing right here, and you put like the dish detergent and everything in here. And as you washing your dishes and stuff like that, the soap and everything is going to be released from the sponge. These things right here are my go-to, like when it comes to rags and stuff like that. Let's get one of these. Okay, and let's get the heavy duty gloves because honey, today is clean day. Okay, so I told you guys about these brushes, right? Like these demi brushes. I had brought mine from Sally's. You could just come to Dollar Tree, right, and get yours from here because they are $1. And it feels just like the one I have at home. Okay, so I am going to get the Epsom salt for my feet. Honey, I'm going to do my feet too today. Okay. Honey, I'm going to do pretty much about everything today. Oh, and look at this. I would buy these from Whole Foods, right? Now, the quality, you know, it ain't probably the same, but it feels sort of the same. So this is a soap saver. You know how you put your soap around the tub? Like you leave it in the corner of the tub and it have like all that soap, the color of the soap all around the tub. Honey, you can get one of these and put your bars of soap on here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Jada. You need this for your face when you put in that soap on. So we're gonna get one of these. Okay, so right here they have some bath bombs. You know, I messed with Dollar Tree, but come on now. Come on. Okay, and I'm going to get one of these for my feet. And let's go on to the cleaning supplies. Honey, they even have back scratches. Okay, so for those people, honey, you just by yourself at home. You don't have nobody to scratch your back. Okay, now this one probably look a certain type of way, but you definitely could come here and get you a doggone, a darn back scratcher, okay? Oh, so this is, look, I like this. So this is chamomile with green tea extracts. Okay, this looks like it should be good while you in the tub. Okay, so we are going to get about, let me see, 5 of these. All right. 2. 3. Matter of fact, let's just do 3. So I had told you guys before about these fashion home sticky things.
Can I get the leaves?
What leaves?
The leaves, the fake leaves.
Where they at?
I don't know.
You sure they have them in here? Okay, so family, I had told you guys about this, right? Like if you renting and you don't wanna pay to get towels professionally done in your apartment, because honey, you gonna be leaving there soon and have your own home, okay? Honey manifestation, we speaking it, okay? You could come here and you could get these different wallpapers and you could put on your wall. So they have this one really caught my eye. This is nice. Then they have this one, and this. The backlash, I like these. The removable towel decal. So these are good. I like this one especially. Okay, so I'm glad I'm over here because my youngest son, him and these pencils, he keeps saying he don't have no pencil to do his homework. So we are definitely going to get some pencils and some sharpeners. Okay. And look, they have, honey, you can start getting school supplies now. Honey, Dollar Tree done came a long way, I see. Okay, let's see. And like I said before, poster boards. Okay, honey, you could get the poster boards 2 for $1. Okay, but that's for the white ones. The color ones are $1. Right. Then they also have these Star Wars. Ooh. Oh, honey. See, I gotta get out of here. So I'm gonna put these in my youngest son's room. So it's just funny because when my 2 oldest children were younger, I would go to, I believe it was Kohl's, and I would get these like war decals, and I would put them. Jada, you remember the war decals I would put in your room? Huh? Honey, she must be got her headphones on. So yeah, I'm gonna get these the Star Wars war decal. Okay, so I was gonna get this one sharpener. It says 7 pieces, but nope, honey, we gonna be smart. Okay, we gonna use the one that has 12-piece sharpeners. So when my youngest son be like, "Oh, I don't have no pencil with a sharpener," oh yeah, you do, boy, right here. Okay, so honey, if you wanna bring out your creative side, okay, you could get some of these ribbons and some of the stuff that's over here. Oh, this is fake, okay? All right. Okay, so we also, I'm looking for the nightlight. I thought this was a nightlight because my youngest son, he be like, he be scared of the dark. But what's really a shame? Not the kids that's scared of the dark, is the adults that scared of the darn light. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, honey. All right, so I'm looking for the nightlight. Honey, you try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't coming for someone, because Dollar Tree even has DVDs. Now, so all the ones that's been shopping at Dollar Tree for a minute, don't you dare come from me and say Dollar Tree been had movies. Look at this. Wow. Oh, this movie looks good with Tom Cruise. Lions for Lambs. Ooh, it looks like it's good. Okay, so I have like a old fashioned stove, right, at the apartment that I'm in, where though like you lift the plates up and like you clean up under there, right? It's like it's different. So I'm gonna get one of these so I could clean it, and then I'm gonna get some Ajax so to loosen up like the dirt and scum and stuff like that up under there. Okay, family, so we also had got the 6 gallons of spring water. Um, Now we just waiting for our total. So the total is 48.78.